65 pounds. Last seen Tampa, Florida. What the fuck? Thick brown fur, friendly demeanor, known for floating on his back and cracking jokes, always made the place feel lighter. He disappeared without warning. If you have any information, call 1-2-3-6-7-6-7.
Were the signs I ignore.
If you actually think that I murdered an otter, bro,
can I help you
have a boner
not to hurt anymore?
Is this true, Jynx?
Squishy, what do you think, bro? Do you think I just killed an otter?
When the world
Jack, if y'all believe this, you are stupid! You sick fuck, L murderer.
there are
Speak up.
things
Guys.
we can